How are you all? Welcome to EVS class. So today we are going to deal with lesson number 4, our neighborhood. So what is our lesson number 4? Our neighborhood. So what do you understand by our neighborhood, children? So in your class 1 you have studied about our neighborhood places. So, the places nearby our home. The places nearby our home. See here, one small example is given. Now, for example, this is somebody's house, your friend's house. Okay? Now, see what are the nearby places. Can you see nearby places to your friend's place? School, post office, hospital. Okay? You can see here in this beautiful picture. Post office, see dentist. It is one of the dental hospital. And fire station is also nearby your friend's house. Hospital is also nearby your friend's house. And you can also see school also. Okay, children? So, this is the nearby places of your friends. Just take an example. Okay? Now, you also relate with your nearby places near your home. Okay? So you can also relate. So what are the places nearby your home? Okay. Now just move on to next one. See here. Now for example, assume that girl is you or that person is you. Okay. That is your house. So nearby places we will call it as neighborhood. Nearby places we will call it as neighborhood. So what are the nearby places here? Yes, tell me what is this? Hospital. What is this? School. Now can you see this food mart? Okay, that is supermarket. Okay. Now can you see this? House, your friend's house, anything. Okay. So these are the few places. Just recall you have studied in your class 1. Next one. See what is there in your textbook. Let us see, children. Our neighborhood. So here, if you have textbooks, you can write the three places nearby your house or your friends' names nearby your house. You can write any 3 names. Okay. Now this is a small activity. If you have textbooks, you can write in your textbooks. The area near our house is called our neighborhood. What is this, children? The area near our house is called our neighborhood. Now, people who live in the neighborhood are called our neighbors. So, who are neighbors, children? The people who live in the neighborhood are called our neighbors. Now, who are your neighbors? Who are living near your house? So, who are the people? So, that people are your neighbors, and you can recall who are your neighbors. You can discuss with your parents who are your neighbors. Okay, children? Now, where do you go to get milk? Where do you go, children? And where do you go to get eggs and bread every day? So where do your parents take you if you fall ill? So where they'll take children when you fall ill? Yes, very good, hospital. So it would be so difficult if you had to go to far off places for these basic things. Okay, for these basic things you can't go for far away places. So which is a good neighborhood, children? Which is a good neighborhood? A good neighborhood has many places that make life easier and comfortable for everyone. Okay, so what is a good neighborhood? If you have all these places like groceries, milk booth, chemist, okay, and also schools nearby you, park, and also hospitals nearby your neighborhood. So that is a good neighborhood, because for small things, for small basic things, if you go for far away places, it will be difficult for you. Okay, so a good neighborhood has many places that make life easier and comfortable for everyone. So if you see in Hyderabad, children, so there'll be a good communities, big apartments. So in that apartments only you can see all the stalls like milk booth, groceries, chemist, and you can also see park. You can also see some gyms, so situated in that apartments. So it is also a good neighborhood, so that our life will become very easier and comfortable. Okay, now let us learn one by one. Let us learn one by one. What is the first place here? Market. What is this? Market. So a market has many shops that sell different things. Okay. Do you know about market? Yes. Market has many shops that sell different things. There should be a market in every neighborhood for people to buy things they need for daily use. Now can you see here? This is a neighborhood market. You can see milk booth, groceries, chemist, that is pharmacy, medical shop, we will call it as. Okay, you can see here bookstall, and you can see some hospitals. So this is about your market. Okay children. Now see here. Some of the shops found in a neighborhood market are a milk booth. So why we go for milk booth? We go there to buy milk, bread, eggs, etc. Now see here, a grocery store. So why we go for grocery store? We go there to buy food items and things for our daily use, such as soap, toothpaste, dals, rice, tea, coffee, etc. So all these are there in your market. Okay. Now see here, a stationery shop. What is a stationery shop, children? Where you will go for pens, pencils, books, erasers? Yes, you will go for a stationery shop to buy all these things. Now, a chemist shop. What is chemist? Chemist, children? So there we'll get the medicines and also bandages. We get lot of medicines. So we can also call it as medical shop, or else we can also call it as pharmacy. Okay, we go there to buy medicines and band-aids. Now, a grocery store, a green grocery store. What is green grocer? You know very well about this. Yes. So there we can get fruits and vegetables. We go there to buy fruits and vegetables. So all these are comes under market. So market has several places, that is many places, many shops. So where milk booth, grocery store, stationery shop, chemist shop, a green grocer shop will be present in the market. Okay children, did you all understood about this? And here one box is there. Did you know? In some areas, markets are set up every week. So in some areas, so what happens? Markets are set up every week. These markets are known as, what is this children? Hearts. What we'll call it as? Hearts. H-A-A-T-S. Okay children? So you can also call it as Sunday markets. Can you see Sunday markets children? Yes, Santa. We will call it as Santa. Do you know that? Yes. Sunday markets, Wednesday markets, daily markets, where we can get all green groceries. Okay? And now let us move on to the next topic, that is about school. So all good neighborhoods have a school. So a good example, if you see our school, St. Clair High School, where it is located children? In NTPC. So in NTPC it is a small township. So where we have school, where we have market, where we have park, police station, bank, hospital. Okay, all these are present in our township. So is it a good neighborhood or not? Yes, it is a very good neighborhood which makes the life easier and comfortable. Okay, children? Now see school. So all neighborhoods have a school. We go to a school to study and play. Why we go to school? To study and play. A teacher teaches us many things in school. Okay, children? So you know very well about school. Are you missing your school? Yeah, we are missing our school. Next, park. So every good neighborhood has a park where we can play. A park has lots of trees and plants. Isn't it, children? Many plants, trees are there in the park. A park has lots of trees and plants. Some parks also have swings for children. Most parks have a footpath for walking and jogging. Okay. So we get fresh air when we go to the park. So why people comes to the park? Children goes to the park. So to play, children goes to play and adults go for walking or take some fresh air from the park because they have many plants and trees. So here we should keep our parks clean and not litter them. So have you visited parks, children? When will you go to the parks? Yes, you will go to the park. What you will do there? So you'll buy some things and you'll eat there, you'll play. So after eating, where you will throw the wrappers? Yes, don't throw on the floor. Where you should throw? Throw in the dustbins. Don't litter them. Don't throw on the floor. You have where you have to throw, you have to throw on the in the dustbins. Okay, children, you have to maintain cleanliness so that your park will be neat and clean. Okay, you have to remember this thing. Okay, now next one is police station. So a police station is a place where the police works. The police makes our neighborhood safe. So police makes our neighborhood safe. So they protect us from all kinds of dangers. Isn't it, children? So when there is some kind of trouble, where we'll go? We go to the police station to report it. A police officer is in charge of the police station and he or she helps us in times of trouble. So to call the police, we can simply dial 100, that is 100. Dial 100, 100 and get help. Okay, children? This one you have to remember. See the police station. So who will be protect us from all thieves and dangers? Yes, policeman. So now whenever we'll get trouble, where we'll go? Yes, we'll go to the police station to report it. Okay. So when you are in trouble, whom you will call? Yes, 100. So that policeman will come and they will help us. Don't forget, children, remember this. Next, post office. See the picture here? This is a post office. Who is he? Postman. So what he will do? He delivers letters and postcards. See here, we go to a post office to buy stamps. So not only delivering, not only posting the letter, but also to, to collect some or to buy some stamps, postcards and stamped envelopes. Stamped envelopes. So a post office helps us to send letters and postcards to our friends and family members. Okay, children? So nowadays we are using smartphones, we are using WhatsApp. Immediately we can send the messages. Our lives become very easier. So we can contact anyone within seconds through WhatsApp call or directly through the calls. Okay. But nowadays we are not using these letters. But we have to make a habit of writing letters, children, to our dear ones to express our feelings. Okay. So it is better, at least for few times you can use letters. Send the letters to your dear ones. Okay. Now we can also send parcels and money orders through a post office. Parcels, you know very well about parcels. So any big parcels are there, we will go to the post office and we'll send. And also, see here, money orders. Money order. So nowadays we got all Paytm, Google Pay, internet bankings. But for few villages, all these facilities, they won't have all mobile facilities. So what they will do? They will send through the post office in through money order. Okay, they can send money through money order. A money order helps us to send money from one place to another. A postman delivers letters at the correct address. So whatever the address will be given, postman will deliver the letters, parcels, money orders. Okay, children? Yes. Do you remember this? Post office. Just recall what we can buy from post office. Stamps, postcards and stamped envelopes. Okay. A post office helps us to send letters and postcards to our friends and family members. And we can also send parcels and also money orders. Okay, children? Now, next about this hospital, we will see tomorrow in the next class. Before that, you just observe this uh, beautiful painting, and also you can do at your home. You can paste the pictures and you can also do this in your home when you are free. Okay, this is about my neighborhood. Okay, so here somebody's example they have given, what are the neighborhood places nearby them. So if you are interested, you can do in your scrapbook. Okay, what are the neighborhood places to your home. See, this is somebody's house, and here supermarket and hospital, police station, school. So all these are neighborhood places of somebody's. Okay, it is given very beautifully. You can also do when you are free. You can also do this activity. Okay, children. So tomorrow we will see about hospital and fire engine, fire stations, and also we'll see leftover things. Okay, children. Now see here one more, places in our community. See these places in our community. So stadium, school, movie theaters, so hair salons, bus stop, apartment buildings, and you can see church, mosque, house, so train station, that is railway station, market, farm, office building, some coffee shops. So all these may be the neighborhood places. Okay, children? Can you see these pictures once again? Yes. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care.